Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can convert your HTML site into a WordPress site. So let's get right into it. So if you have your own site and it is in the index.html file, you can copy that over into several different files, and then you can upload that as the theme for your WordPress website. Now this is the most difficult option that you have to do this. However, it is also the most effective. It'll change, or it'll keep rather, both the style, design, and the content of the website, and it is the most effective method. So let's get right into it. Now, because I do not have any sites at hand, what I am going to be doing is I'm going to be referring to this article on Hostinger. Now, this is the method that I've mentioned before, but what you're going to want to do is create a file anywhere on your PC that is called my-theme, and in that you're going to create a couple of different files. You're going to create style CSS, index.php, header.php, sidebar.php, and footer.php. And the reason for this is because, WordPress uses PHP, and it uses the content of all of these separate files to add it up into one singular, site. And also style.css is used for the design of your site, so you need that if you want your site to have custom CSS. But yeah, once you're done with that, then you can go ahead and change your old website CSS to the WordPress style sheet. And the way that you do this is you just enter this header into the beginning of your style.css folder. You just literally just need to paste this code. Of course, you would customize your theme name, the author name, the author URL or URI, depending on if you're on Hostinger or not. I'm pretty sure this is just universal, and then all of these other things as well. Now, this just provides information to WordPress that it's a theme style sheet header, and you can use it to edit whatever you want. And yeah, once you add this header with these beginning and ending signs like that, after that you just paste all your CSS code there and you're pretty much done. Now you're going to need to split up your old HTML code into these several files, and this is an example of your HTML code. Now the first thing we're going to be doing is to fill up the header.php file, and you're going to need to add everything before the main area, and that's usually expressed by either main or div class main, depending on the HTML version. And right before the head element, you need to copy and paste this code right here. This is going to enable your plugins to work correctly, so make sure you do that. But yeah, pretty much everything before main needs to go there, and before the closing of the head element, you just want to add this here. And there should be an example here. As you can see, this is everything that goes up to the main part, and as you can see, before the head thing, you have, or before the closing of the head, you have that line of code, which is needed for everything to function properly. And as you can see, it all goes down until it gets to main, and that is pretty much it. Now for sidebar, you just need to copy everything that is in the section aside, which is of course opened by aside and closed by /aside, and you just copy everything in between there into the sidebar.php file. As for footer, pretty much everything to the end of the file should go into the footer.php file, and before you close the body bracket with /body, you need to add this code, which is pretty much identical to this code right over here. As you'll see, this just has PHP WP head, and this has WP footer, and that is pretty much all the changes that you need to add, and for the same reason, just for plugins to work. Then once you're done with that, you need to change the style to WordPress format. So for example, if you have links in the head section instead of this, which they should look like if they're in the standard HTML format, you need to replace it with this style right over here. And pretty much that's it for changing the style of your links. You can save and close the PHP or header PHP file, and under index.php, you just need to add these here command calls, and once that's done, you just save that, and that should be it. Now, that should be pretty much it. Once you're done with that, you just need to upload your theme, and for that, you just go into appearances and into appearance and into theme, and then you can add your own theme if you have the option. I don't, because I'm on the free version, so I can't really show you guys, but that is pretty much it. Once you're done with that, you should be good, and that's pretty much it. And yeah, you do need to zip up your folder that you've created, so keep that in mind. But once you upload it, that should be pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.